Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install SSH keys for AWS EC2 access securely, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your terminal or command prompt on your local machine. Ensure you have SSH installed. If you are using Mac OS or Linux, SSH is likely already installed. For Windows users, consider using Windows Subsystem for Linux or an application like PuTTY. Next, generate a new SSH key pair using the command. Type SSH keygen TRSAB4096C your email at example.com. Press enter to accept the default file location. You can enter a passphrase for added security or leave it empty. After generating the key pair, navigate to your SSH directory. Typically, this is found at /.ssh on macOS and Linux, and /users /your username /s. Use the command ls to check your files. You should see two new files, id_rsa and id_rsa.pub. Now, log into your AWS Management Console. Select the EC2 service from the AWS Services menu. Click on the Instances option on the left sidebar. Choose the instance you wish to configure with your new SSH key. Click on the Connect button located in the top right corner. In the Connection dialog, select the SSH Client tab. Now, open your public key file for viewing. Use the command cat/.ssh/id_rsa.pub on macOS or Linux. For Windows, use type /users /your username /.ssh /id_rsa.pub single quote. Copy the entire content displayed in the terminal. Return to the AWS console. Scroll down to the Key Pairs section. Click on the Create Key Pair button. Name your key pair and select RSA as the type. Choose PEM for the file format. Paste your copied public key into the designated field. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.